Moves inside Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! He's in good shape.
That's typical, absolutely brilliant. Turning defence into attack, Real Madrid, in the blink of an eye.
These days. There's Ronaldo!
Oh my goodness!
You don't save those! Out of this world!
Options left and right. Cristiano Ronaldo, though, goes for goal and finds it spectacularly. Oh my goodness, what a hit that is. Irrepressible, irresistible. Cristiano Ronaldo with goal number 24 of the season, and that flew off his boot. It whistled into the back of the...
Cristiano Ronaldo, he's got Van Nistelrooy with him and Rooney. Oh, what a goal that is! Cristiano Ronaldo, an absolute howitzer.
Well, that is one shot of tremendous power, and that ball was moving all over the place.
In from Alexandro, and what about that? From Cristiano Ronaldo. Towering header to make it 10 for the season and put Juve back in front.
What a header that is from Cristiano Ronaldo.
Being ranged for many, but for this man, certainly. Oh, most certainly! Courtois completely bamboozled. It's 50 for the season for Cristiano.
Towards Bernardo Silva, under his spell, brilliant play, Ronaldo! It's him again! He reigns supreme once more, but a regal contribution from Bernardo Silva in the build-up, and could it be?
Here he comes. Oh my word! Can you believe the genius of this man? What a hit! David James stood like a statue, and already United are... Here goes Ronaldo. Oh, what a screamer! He won it.
It's beaten Zabaleta. Ronaldo! Had to be him, didn't it? Rafael Guerrero with the cross. Ronaldo!
Cristiano Ronaldo breaks the deadlock. His 10th goal at the European Championship. Di Maria, ball from Marcelo, that great cross, header, goal! Cristiano Ronaldo! A magnificent header! Real Madrid with a breakthrough! What a big goal that could turn out to be! No chance of Pint.
Ronaldo to hit it. Oh, brilliant! Absolutely brilliant! We are witnessing an exhibition tonight.
Quaresma, Ronaldo! Goal number 81 for Portugal. For Cristiano Ronaldo, or is it?
Modric to Ronaldo. Can Ronaldo play his part? Oh, yes, he can. They can't stop him. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's been quiet in this game. A dramatic game that had almost passed him by, but of course you can't forget Cristiano Ronaldo.
دائما يزيد بسرعة. رونالدو. الهدف السابع والهدف رقم 40 لكريستيانو رونالدو مع الريال هذا الموسم. يقرر أن يفعل ما.
And Ronaldo is there again! Would you believe it? That is why he is a legend, and he comes up with an injury time winner.
Cristiano, he fires it into the corner. What else did you expect? 85 minutes to go, or gone rather, excuse me. CR7 hat-trick. Juventus 3 at
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Sahar waits inside the area. Ronaldo goes alone, and Ronaldo wins the match for Manchester United. 87 minutes played.